going on at Muppet Labs and to get you excited about science. Are you all excited about science? Let me hear you. Yes, so to bring the thrill of the lab directly to you, I've invented this most remarkable vehicle. Introducing the Muppet Mobile Lab. Everybody say, ooh. I know, isn't science fun? All right, Piggy, let's start things off with a bang by demonstrating my newest invention. Mankind has always yearned to explore the galaxies, so today we shall attempt to blast a chicken into space. Introducing Space Chicken! All right, Beaker, prepare the chicken launcher. Bunsen to Priscilla, can you hear me? Over. Well, of course we're using Priscilla, Beaker. She's a test chicken. Oh, don't worry, Beaker. It's perfectly safe after all. I invented it. Yes, we will now begin our countdown for this historic launch. And when we reach 0, I want everyone here to look upward, wave and shout, Bon voyage, Priscilla! All right, everyone, get ready. The headlines will read, that's one small step for poultry, one giant leap for mankind. 3, 2, and 1, 0. Say it with me, folks. Bon voyage, Priscilla! Look, everyone, she's so high you can barely see her up there. What's that, Beaker? You forgot to strap the monitoring device onto her. Oh, dear. Come in, Priscilla. Can you hear me? Priscilla, can you hear me? Over. Oh, dear. Well, safe travels, Priscilla. I hear that Mars needs chickens. What? What do you mean you're quitting, Beaker? Well, I'll miss Priscilla too, but that's no reason to leave Muppet Labs. Look, Beaker, if you leave, these people here will be heartbroken, won't you? Yes, that's right. You all love Beaker and want him to stay, don't you? Let me hear you. See, Beaker, you could never be replaced. All right, everybody.